So this is the seat pan. It goes on top of the old gas tank. It's where the seats mount. And the parking brake, but that's a different panel. So this is got an edge on it. Hold on. So this is just raw steel. It's hot rolled, so it's got mill scale all over it. And in the past, there has been sandblasting. That's 40 grit. It's the spaghetti wheel. And then I have no idea what this is going to do. So here we go. Let me try something. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that one. It's just we've used it for a while and I want to see how it does with the new one. 7 minutes. So 17 minutes. 17 and 20 is 37 minutes. But now it's done. All we got to do is wipe it down, hit it with paint. I got one more to do. I got an idea. If we flip the drum, we change the profile of the scrapers.
Listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Said you're one day here and the next day gone. Come around here looking for all you can take. Move me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, or chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. Love like that, it can't last long. You're one day here and the next day gone. You're one day here and the next day gone. Lightning in a bottle shines so bright. Seen you, baby, just the other night. I said I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman, ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here and the day here and the next day gone.
So I think that's all for that tool right now. Just use it on 4 or 5 things. But it saved me a lot of time. Even though I spent a lot of time, I still saved a lot of time, which is what I was going for. I wish I'd had that thing when I started. But now you know, get one. Next, I'm going to hammer out some dents on those inner door panels. So some hammer and dolly work, and I'll bring y'all back for that.